Aloha everyone, this is my new toy, Vostro A90 from Dell. Okay, I'm doing a unboxing video. Let me see how to Alright. Seems pretty nice, and let's see what come with it. A power adapter. Packaging is like exactly the same as the Mini 9. Come with the Ubuntu software and driver CD. User menu and also the quick start guide. Let's see. Okay, put here. The main difference between Mini 9 and this Vostro A90 is this is completely black finish. Mini 9 has the silver one. Okay, let's turn it on because the battery already plugged in. There's a LED here. Power up. Pretty nice. Okay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to visit my site alohaeveryone.com. alohaeveryone.com for other technical information, photos information, and deal info. Thank you. Bye.